My name is Brian Spafford, and I just recently had the left eye uh, cataract surgery with Dr. Tai about 3.5 weeks ago, and about a week and a half ago, I had the right eye cataract surgery, and both of those were done by laser. And I also had astigmatism in both eyes, so I used the toric lens, which I'm extremely pleased with. A day following the surgery, in both surgeries, the change was extremely noticeable, and it was much clearer, and I could see so much better, and the colors were brighter, and it's just been a really, really good experience. I really appreciate what Dr. Tai has done for me, and I know that if any of you are even thinking about this type of surgery, it would be well worth spending the extra money and doing the laser, as well as, if you have astigmatism, to do the toric, rather than what the basic lens by Medicare provides for patients. So this is sort of my experience, and it's been really great. And again, Dr. Tai, thank you so much for helping me out. I really appreciate what you've done for me.